monkey!
I'm here with the Fujifilm X-T4 with the 150 to 500 millimeter lens, hoping to get some good wildlife photos at the zoo today. So this tree right here, there's bats everywhere in there. It's what you can hear. We've found the capybaras right over there. Now we're at the monkeys. It's pretty cool, you get to walk through the enclosure.
It's all looking like very a monkey!
That's really cool. That's really cool. I really hope it's in focus. I love how they're all lined up, all in a row here. I'm gonna see if I can get a photo. And now we're at the giraffes.
This one must be the matriarch.
Okay!
Okay, we're ready to move?
We're going into the nocturnal house. See what it's like. So the nocturnal house was pretty boring. We're now going to see the reptile house, see if it's any better. Oh, that looks so good. So really happy with how those photos turned out. That was pretty cool. I enjoyed the photos at the zoo today. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.